Hey guys, James Paradise, what's going on? If you would like to learn how to make a lot of money selling products online with the biggest companies in the world, which I've been doing since 2009. So for 12 years, I've been selling products and services on Amazon and Walmart and making hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I'm gonna show you how to do it right now, step by step, but you gotta listen to exactly what I'm telling you and do exactly what I'm telling you right now. Okay, so hey guys, here's the top 7 places online you can start making money with affiliate marketing right now. At any time during this video, if you love this information, smash the like button, help me out with the Google algorithm, subscribe to my channel right down here. Click that red subscribe. I'm not charging you, it's free. And if you want my personal help, I will put my information below. WhatsApp me, email me, get me on the phone, give me your number, give me your country code and number. I will put you in business in one day making money with all of these 7 companies that you can start making money with affiliate marketing, selling their products online, and I'm going to show you how to set it all up right now. Okay guys, here we go. So the first place you're going to go, step 1, you're going to go to walmart.com. Go to walmart.com, scroll down and click on affiliate partner program. You will make money with Walmart. Walmart will pay you commissions every time you send people to Walmart and they buy products. This is like the #1 affiliate program online right now. So listen to exactly what I'm telling you to do. Walmart.com, scroll down, click on affiliate partner program. They're gonna send you an email. Click on the link in the email to confirm your free Walmart affiliate marketing program, and I'll show you how to start making money every single day with Walmart. Let's go to number 2. Okay, number 2, you're gonna go to Amazon.com. So go to Amazon.com, scroll down, click on affiliate program. It says affiliate partner or associates program. You wanna click on that. Then you're gonna sign up for your Amazon free account. They're gonna send you an email. Click on the link in the email, confirm your Amazon associate affiliate partner program, and you're gonna start making money with Amazon selling products in 26 different countries, all from your laptop, your phone, right from home or from anywhere in the world. So number 2 is Amazon.com. Let's go to number 3. Number 3, now this one's really good, guys. You want to go to clickbank.com. Clickbank.com and sign up for your free associate affiliate partner program. ClickBank is the #1 place online in the world where people buy digital products, training courses, things that you can do and watch and learn how to sell products online. I have digital courses online at clickbank.com. You want to go to ClickBank and you want to sign up for their program. They pay out commissions just like Amazon and Walmart, and they're the #1 place online to upload and sell your own video course, or you just sell other courses, including mine. I will be leaving links in the description below this video to sign up for all these programs. That's number 3. Now we're going to go to number 4. Okay, number 4, guys, you want to go to bestbuy.com, bestbuy.com. Best Buy is like the #1 place in the USA and Canada for people to buy electronics, right? TVs, smartphones, stereo equipment, all the stuff at Best Buy you can make money on. Best Buy copied Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Is that amazing or what? So go to bestbuy.com, scroll all the way down, click on affiliate partner program, and you can start sending traffic, people, to go buy stuff on bestbuy.com, and they will pay you a commission on every sale. Can you imagine making 5% on a $10,000 TV? Think about that, guys. That's $500. What if I teach you how to do that every single day? People are buying more stuff online than in the history of the internet around the world. You need to get involved with affiliate marketing. Do exactly what I'm telling you to do. Go sign up for all these programs, and if you need my help, my number, my WhatsApp number, and my email, all of my contact information is below this video in the description, or leave a comment right now with your name, your cell phone number, country code, mobile number. I or one of my team members will get in touch with you today. I'll put you in business in one day. Go to bestbuy.com, click on affiliate partner program, and get signed up for that one. Let's keep making more money. Let's go to number 5. Okay, here's number 5. Now this is a big one, guys. This is from the country of Germany, but again, it's one of the top places on the internet to make money, called digistore24.com. go to digistore24.com. That's Digi store24.com. I'll put a link in the description. You want to go sign up for your free digistore24.com affiliate partner program. Scroll to the bottom, click on affiliate partner program. They walk you through it. It doesn't take a lot of time. Now you're going to get an email. Click on that email to confirm your Digistore24 account. Now you can start selling digital products on Digistore. Digistore is where most people go to sell their online courses and digital products. It's all over the world, guys. These guys started this thing in Germany. They're a lot smarter than Americans, I'm telling you right now, and it's a $1 billion company. That's right. So go to digistore24.com. You can start promoting my online courses or other millionaire online courses, and we will pay you a commission. Digistore pays their commissions once a month, and they guarantee it. They put it right in your bank account or your PayPal account. Listen to what I'm telling you to do. Go to the link in the description below. Register for your digistore24.com affiliate marketing associate partner account today and keep making more money. Let's go to number 6. Now we're going to get into building an online business with automated sales funnels. Go to clickfunnels.com. Clickfunnels.com. You're going to sign up for their free affiliate marketing program. ClickFunnels is the #1 place online in the world right now where people go to create their online sales funnel. A sales funnel is where people opt in, give you their name, number, and email, and you keep sending them email and text messages to follow up with them to go to buy more products. Where? Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Digistore, ClickBank, right? So you're going to keep following up with people automatically with emails and text messages. You're going to promote ClickFunnels because they pay a 40% commission. So every time you send somebody to ClickFunnels and they pay for the ClickFunnels program, you're going to make 40%. Now their highest program is $300 and you make 40% of that. So guys, you're going to make $120 per sale. If you do just 10 of those a week, you're making over $1,200 a week just from ClickFunnels, and they pay out once a month, just like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and everybody else. Go to clickfunnels.com, do exactly what I'm telling you to do. I'll put a link in the description below. If you need my personal help, contact me. I will get you on the phone live in 1 hour. I will have you set up with all these money-making programs. Let's go to number 7. Okay, here's number 7, guys. You want to do exactly what I'm telling you. You can make all kinds of money with all these different programs. These are the top 7 programs online that I recommend, that I'm making money with, and all my other millionaire partners are making money with. You want to go to SAMCART.com. SAMCART, S-A-M-C-A-R-T, S-A-M-C-A-R-T, SAMCART.com. SAMCART, oh my God, guys, this is the #1 place to go and create a 1-page sales page where you can start sending people to your page and they buy your product right there. Now, if you don't have a product, you can sell my product, or you can sell any product from Digistore, from ClickBank, from Amazon, any product. You create your own sales page. It's 1 page. And then you create a video presentation. You tell people to click on the button and buy now. Just like Amazon, right? When people buy stuff on Amazon and Walmart, they have to click the buy now button, get out their credit card and debit card, and actually pay for the product. That's exactly what you want to set up to sell your product or to sell my product or anybody's product. Go to samcart.com right now, sign up for their free affiliate partner program, and they will pay you commissions on every single person that goes to SAMCART and signs up for their program, okay? Wow, this is amazing. 7 top ways to make money. Do exactly what I'm telling you. And again, smash that like button if you love this information. Subscribe to my channel right now. Keep watching my videos because, again, step by step, every day I'm going to teach you how to make more money online from your phone, your laptop, sitting at home or on the beach or vacationing anywhere. Go to samcart.com right now and let me wrap up this video right here. Okay, guys, so there's my top 7 affiliate marketing places and companies to go to start making money. Then you can set up your sales funnel, which is this. Once you get all these programs set up, now you can start making money with all these companies. But the key and the secret and the trick is to send traffic to all these different sites automatically. So what I show you how to do is the most important thing. And if you don't have this, you're not going to make a lot of money. You'll struggle. You'll make millions if you listen to me. You need to set up a sales funnel to drive traffic, to follow up with all the people who go to all these different websites to continue to buy products for the rest of their life, and these companies will pay you commissions for the rest of your life. Let me show you exactly what to do right now. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to set up an automated sales funnel. Here's the process. Step one. Go to SAMCART.com, set up your account. Yes, you have to pay. You're going to give them your credit card or debit card, and you're going to start setting up your one-page sales funnel page. Step two, you're going to post ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, telling people to go to your link, to your page to buy your product. If you don't have a product, you can sell my product. Contact me below. Send me a WhatsApp, send me an email. I will show you how to sell my programs, and I will pay you up to 90% commissions on my programs. You need to set up your automated sales funnel. People buy not today, tomorrow. If they buy next week, if they buy next month, if they buy next year, you still get paid from all these companies, including me. If you love this information, smash that like button. If you need personal help, contact me right now. Comment, don't wait. Put your name, give me your number, give me your phone. Don't just say, hey, I love this information. That's bullshit. I'm looking for serious people that I can put right now, today, in 1 hour in this business, affiliate marketing with all these top 7 programs, and you start making money right away. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.